Good morning, Krugerville Farm. Today is, well, we have our granddaughter, Sophie and Olivia today. Did a little sleepover last night. And today they get to kind of watch as we're going to clean the coop. And as you can see, the chick girls, the door's open. The yard is their little haven today. And they're pecking and getting a little more courageous. So inside you can see the roost is open. And I want to show you what I've done. I use this rubber mat and I put the pine shavings. So I'm going to put on my gloves and I'm going to roll this up and dump everything in the trash can. And then I use a mixture of vinegar and water to clean out the roost. And this has been working just superb. And it allows us to keep it clean. And there's vents in the bottom of this, so it gives them kind of airflow, which has been nice during this hot summer. And they appear to have been very comfortable. But we really love this smart coop because it just is bulletproof and it's really easy to keep clean. So here at our farm, we want to generate the best eggs and we want to have 5-star accommodations.
Wow, pretty slick. Nice.
So shakes down into the trash can.
Great job.
Now, how awesome is that?
Awesome.
Oh, we're in the, I guess the barn, Krugerville Farm's barn. So this is our little storage area. We've got our dried mealworms. We have our Harvest Delight treat. We've got our chicken bath dust, our diatomaceous earth and this other volcanic ash stuff. Got some disinfectant wipes. This is Oma's little shaker deal, which she puts worms in and she goes, and the girls get excited and they follow her all around the yard when they're courageous enough to get out of their cage. So we're in the middle of that conditioning. And this just allows us to keep everything close to the roost and coop. We've got our feed in here. And this is our cleaning bucket down here. And this is a 50-50 mixture of vinegar and water, which has been working great to keep the roost nice and clean. So I'll be on that in a minute. I'm going to be cleaning out the other ingredients here. Sometimes I vacuum, but maybe I won't have to. We'll see. Anyhow, girls, let's get the chicks out and go play. All right, we're putting the coop roost back together. And the garden fairy, watch out, watch your head there, has discovered the roost. And you can see my special mesh has been washed and it's all clean. And I'm going to put large pine shavings on it, and that'll allow the byproducts to be absorbed and makes it easy to clean, as you saw in the first video when we started. So we've had housekeeping up. They've given us 5 gold stars, and now we look forward to your Yelp and or Google reviews. Thank you very much. Hey girls, can you say, how do you say goodbye in Spanish? Or see you later?
Adios.
No? Hey?
Adios.
Look at the camera, please. Garden fairy.
It's adios.
Adios. Hasta luego. All right. The roost is clean now, and I'm putting the fresh pine shavings in. So special container for storage. And we put in about 5 scoops. And this stuff is, like you saw in the beginning, works really good to absorb the byproducts, smells fresh, and is natural. So let me just spread this around. I'm going to try and cover all the mat. What's up there, Corey? You are